Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of May 18th to the 24th and using the Inhale Exhale kit from Jax and Pepper. I'd actually started putting this kit down before and it did not work out for me, so I put down the base and then I lifted it back up because I didn't like how it was coming out, and so I'm missing a couple of things. Well, actually mostly just the date covers. I was able to salvage pretty much everything else. These are the full boxes, and then we have some quarter boxes on this page. So I put down the date covers, which were right here, and so I wasn't able to salvage those, which is fine. I'm just gonna pull in some different date covers from my stash to bring into this kit, because I definitely am excited about adding some foil to this. I think silver foil will complement this kit really well. But we've got scallop checklists, page flags, lots of quarter boxes, the weekend banner, and some circle icons, bottom washi, lots of cut washi. And then on this page we have headers, half boxes, and then I believe these are blank headers, or is this one long strip? No, these are blank headers because those are cut individually. So really excited to get started planning with this. I have some fun things planned because I don't have the date covers, so I'm kind of thinking about trying to find a way to repurpose this bottom washi and use with my date covers, because in the B6 it's a little bit of a different format than being in Erin Condren, where you don't have the big blocks of space for this large bottom washi. So gonna play around and have some fun with this. If you'd like to see how this spread comes out, please just keep watching. Going to begin by cutting down the bottom washi, and I'm cutting the bottom washi strips in half using my paper trimmer. I have these new date cover overlays from Rose Colored Days that I wanted to use, and I thought that the print in the bottom washi would be really fun as the underlay to those date covers. So now that I have it cut down where it's the right height for the date cover space, I'm just going to lay out the strips and then just use my craft knife to cut it so that it fits inside of the header space. And then I'm adding the overlay tape from Rose Colored Days, and this was really interesting because it was my first time using overlay tape, and I definitely recommend peel it out and separate it carefully. You don't want to yank on it, because what you'll do is separate the adhesive from the overlay script. Ask me how I know. Yup, totally messed up one of those date covers, but it's okay because you get a bunch on the roll, so you just keep rolling it out and adding the dates down. It's fantastic for people who make mistakes. So now that I've got that down, moving on to my bottom washi. I had this washi from Michaels in my collection, and I thought it would be great because it matched the color scheme and kind of the vibe of this kit, and I thought it really complemented it well. And then the bow washi that I'm using is from the Pink Room Co., and I wanted to bring some silver foil into the bottom of the spread as well, because I wanted to use a lot of silver foil in this layout. Going to add the month in the top corner of the page, and I'm also adding this little leaf from Honey Inked. It's just some deco next to it, and then putting down one of the blank headers from the kit and adding a half box from the kit. I'm going to layer a half mandala, one of the mini half mandalas from Honey Inked, on top of that half box. And that's why I really adore those mini half mandalas. They layer on top of half boxes so beautifully and just add so much detail. Then I'm going to start adding headers going across the top row, and decided on a pattern of this kind of blushed color on the outer 2 days, then silver foil on Tuesday and Friday, and then Wednesday and Thursday added 2 of the blue headers, and then put a blue one on Sunday as well. Going back to Monday, I'm putting down a bow header and then the full box for that day, using this quarter box to mark the podcast that I listen to. They upload new episodes on Mondays, and the podcast is called We Bought a House, and it's just a fun, like, conversational podcast between this couple where they share just like random stuff that happens throughout their week, and it's just fun to listen to them because I just really enjoy it. At the bottom of Monday, I am just going to mark what I needed to do for YouTube, which I had a haul go up that Monday, and then also needed to edit my plan with me. And so I usually try to get my B6 Plan With Me's up on Tuesdays. My Erin Condren Plan With Me's go up on Sundays, which actually you'll see that I marked my Erin Condren Plan With Me that went up for this Sunday, which was really exciting because it was a collab that I did with my friend Lauren of PlanMoshPlan. on to Tuesday, I'm putting down a quarter box and just marking that I wanted to check some emails for work. The email script is from Letters to Apollo, and the laptop is from Artbox Stickers. And then underneath there, I wanted to create kind of like a little decorative focal point for the Tuesday column. And so I'm taking the leaves from Honey Inked along with one of the flowers. Well, it all comes on this one sheet with like the florals and the leaves, and just layered those on top of each other. And I really love the way that came out. Then using another half box from the kit, I'm adding a little shopping cart from Crafts by Towie to mark we have been ordering groceries through like Instacart, to where they like deliver your groceries to you during COVID. And so I was just putting together my grocery shopping list. And then layered some of the cut washi from the kit with a lace divider from Honey Inked. And then that YouTube play button is from the kit, and just marked a YouTube binge that I did on Tuesday. Usually on Tuesdays, I try to take a break from doing homework and schoolwork. And so after I get off work, I'm able to just relax, unwind, and not think about other things that I have to get done, which is really nice. And YouTube is a fun way to unwind. Then on Wednesday, I generally start my Wednesdays by doing my midweek post on Instagram, where I share midweek in my Erin Condren planner. And then underneath there, I use the Get It Done header from the kit. And this half box, these foiled half boxes came from the Happy Planner Colorful Boxes sticker book. I wanted to check onto the DMV website and find out what needs to happen to get my license renewed, because it's expiring next month. But right now in the state of California, they're kind of just extending your license even if it expires, because if you do not have an appointment, you can't get one. So I was like, okay, good to know. Then underneath there, that desk is from the GP Studio, and the study script is from Artbox Stickers. And so after I was done with work that day, I did some studying, because I am in school right now, and that's just what you have to do, whether you want to or not. I finished off Wednesday by adding those ballet slippers from Crafts by Towie to mark a bar workout class that I had done on YouTube. And then on to Thursday, I'm starting by putting down a half box from the kit. I layered this little girl at her desk from Oso paper, and then added the school script from Rose Colored Days just to mark our discussion posts that we always have to get done because they're due on Thursday. So I submitted that. Then put down a full box on Thursday and on Friday, because I realized as I was putting the full box down on Thursday that I totally forgot to put one on Wednesday, which made me sad, because the full boxes in this kit were really gorgeous and I wanted to get as many of them on the page as possible. But I guess I had a lot to mark on Wednesday, and so it's fine. I actually think Wednesday looks good even without a full box, but I wanted to incorporate as many of them as possible because they were so pretty. Anyways, underneath the full box on Thursday, I put down a washi strip from the kit, and I'm doing some more layering with those flowers and leaves from Honey Inked. And that was to mark an Amazon delivery. I'd gotten just some more storage and organization for my office, trying to neaten it up and keep things as nice in my office as possible, because I'm spending an unbelievable amount of time in my office these days, because with working from home, I'm in my office, which is where my craft desk is and where I normally go for peace and planner, relaxation, and now I'm in here working and doing homework and just living at my desk in my office all day long. It's kind of what it feels like. On to Friday. It's not the worst thing in the world. Sometimes I complain and I'm a little extra and dramatic, but honestly, it's not bad at all. So let me not. Anywho, on to Friday. I actually am starting at the bottom of the day by marking a date night that my husband and I had. We literally just took a drive along the coastline. I live in Southern California, so it was just nice to see the beach. We didn't actually get out because, we were trying to be safe with social distancing and stuff, but it was still a lot of fun just to get out, spend some time together, and relax and enjoy a beautiful scenic view. Then I put a mandala from Honey Inked at the top of Friday. And then the half box, of course, is from the kit. Those books are from Crafts by Towie. I had to submit an assignment for school. I had a lot going on this week. We're getting close to the end of this course, and as I get close to the ends of my classes, my homework load usually tends to get a little bit heavier, and so I had a lot of homework I needed to do Friday, and then also spent a lot of time doing homework on Sunday. So On Saturday, I used a half box and another one of those mini mandalas from Honey Ink to mark editing my plan with me and binging YouTube. And I was editing my collab plan with me with Lauren of PlanMoshPlan. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you go check it out, and then also check out Lauren's channel as well. Her plan with me was so entertaining and so much fun to watch. I'm obsessed with her channel and have been for so long, and I just really enjoy her videos. So I will have that video, I will have her video linked in the description box of this video as well, so you guys can check out her channel. And then on to Sunday, where I am putting down a washi strip from the kit and then layering bow header from Netty Designs on top of it, and then using a quarter box, which is again from those colorful boxes from the Happy Planner. I'm adding the school script because, like I said, Sunday was very heavy with doing schoolwork because I knew I was going to have Monday off for Memorial Day, and I wanted to make sure I could just binge and relax and not have to think on Memorial Day. So I wanted to get all of my homework done on Sunday. That way I would have a full day of not having to work and not having to think about homework on Sunday, which was on Monday, which was fantastic. So at the bottom of Sunday, I'm using this cute little planner from Artbox Stickers and marking that my collab with Lauren went live that day. And that completes the spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. See you next video. Bye.